Hi friends! Today we are going to make scones. But first we need to really wash our hands because we're going to use our hands to make scones, okay? This is very important. Now we need to cut the butter like this. Not too big, not too small. Like this size, okay? Now we are going to use 200 grams of all-purpose flour and 6 grams of baking powder. Or I simply use 150 grams of bread flour and 50 grams of cake flour. And we're going to simply crumble the butter with the flour like this. I will also include the ingredients in the description. For the wet mixture, we're going to use 1 egg, 15 grams of yogurt, and 15 grams of milk. We're simply going to mix the wet mixture into the dry mixture. And we are simply going to mix this. And if you need, simply put a little bit more flour and refrigerate for 2 to 6 hours. After that, spray some flour on the cutting board and then simply pat the dough like this. And then you want to fold it like this and pat some more. Like this. For this scone recipe, I'm going to use chocolates. Now we're going to wash the scone with milk to make it crispier and to give the scones golden brown crust. And we're going to bake this for 25 minutes at 190 degrees. But I will be honest with you, this is how I really make my scone. I don't really pat the flour on the cutting board. I use it in the bowl, okay? In the bowl like this. So I prepare the flour like this and then I scoop it with ice cream scoop like this. Sorry, this is how I make my scone. And I think this is easier, but it tastes the same, okay? And then again, we're going to wash the scone with milk. Like this. And this is my scone. Okay. So if you like it, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. See you on my next video.